Hey guys, it's Elias back at you for another video, and it's not a good one. Oh man, look at this. Ugh, that's terrible. So it's the beginning of March and it's basically springtime, at least for me anyway, and unfortunately winter had one last storm to give us. And this was a bad one. This is probably one of the worst winter storms I've ever seen. And we're gonna take a look at what happened to it, the damage that it caused. So as I climb up here into my little hill climb, I actually just spent about 3 hours trying to get gas because we are out of power. We got our first of the downed trees, of course. Now, I live on top of a mountain, so as you'd imagine, we get pummeled with a lot of wind and a lot of, rain, and we got a lot of snow, actually. Right now, it's actually pretty warm. It's 42 degrees Fahrenheit, so all the snow is melting away, thank goodness. It's pretty clear up to here. Anyway, so last night, my pool got hit by a giant tree. There's my street, as I'll show you in a little bit, got closed 7 times by 7 different trees. There's some more trees broken over here. That's crazy. Take a look at this transformer here. It's hanging on by a thread there. It's broken. We got some trees downed here. And it just gets worse as we go up. So here's the power line, and it's on the ground. Isn't that wonderful? There's the pole. That's unfortunate. There's a second pole, and they're passing over the hopefully dead power lines. I'm pretty sure they're dead right now. Take a look. It is just awful. One big tree took down all those power lines and telephone poles and cables, and pretty much everything is down. So yeah, well, we lost the pool. Unfortunately, yesterday my generator was not working, so today I took it all apart. Oh hey, we got our plows out. That's good. Oh, almost took out that mailbox. He knows what he's doing. He's been through here before. So of course we're driving the Honda Accord today. It's the 2017 Accord V6. I do have a review already filmed. Unfortunately, I have not been able to share it. My goodness, take a look at this. There's a tree hanging on by the power lines, and we got some helpful neighbors trying to cut it down. I have a lot of videos to share with you guys. Unfortunately, I don't have a computer to work on. My generator only powers the bare essentials, which is my heater, my refrigerator, and that's it. So I'll have to be upgrading that at some point. Here's some more downed power lines. Take a look. We have a big tree that went down there. That's crazy. So you gotta be careful here. Down power line. got a little tractor action taking down that tree. He already took down 3 trees I saw because I had passed him before. Take a look. I think he's just the owner of that John Deere excavator. Very cool. Might go out there and help him out a little bit. But yeah, as you can see, we got a lot of destruction. We have a lot of cleaning up to do. My own street has 7 downed trees that from my neighbor across the street's property all the way down to my property. Man, it's just this is rough. Let me through. Yeah, passing over that tree right there. They're cleaning it out. There's another one that was down. Take a look at that. Show you a couple more things here. They haven't really plowed here. My neighbors just, this is all one part of my big neighborhood here. We all just came out and, oh wow, look at that tree. I didn't see that went down. So that tree went down, unfortunately. And now we got these trees. Take a look at that. Alright guys, that's all I wanted to share. I hope you guys are all staying safe. I hope you guys are all good. You may not hear from me again for another couple of days. I will be live Sunday tomorrow, so I'll see you then guys. Peace out.